and mixers, welcome back to the channel. Hey, ito ko guys. Hello. So, we are live here in Singapore, our second day in Singapore, and that means second day of Brick Break. So, we're at the hotel room. Okay, so, and we got from Team Board Game another break of DC Masters of Time. Okay, kita nyo guys? Kita. Okay. Kasi tatanggalin ko na to dito kasi maliit ang space maliit ng table sa room. Okay. So, as always, we were able to fill up the break. So, thank you to everyone who are participating today. Let me show the screen. We are going to, of course, have 8 participants for the small booster. And the 8 participants are Jasper, Onin, Tito, Pete, Larry, Errol, and Conrad. Okay? And the super booster is reserved sa Pogi. Okay? Pogi is me. Sabi ng nanay ko, Pogi daw ako. So anyway, so I got the itch to open. So I'm dibbing the super booster for this particular brick break. No worry, we have a lot more chance naman. So as always, we're going to what you call this? We've already determined our bounty figures, okay, care of the messenger. So I added some more figures in the bounty because the bounty was not pulled last time. Okay, so bounty A is Shadow. Okay, according to, I think si Conrad ba nag-suggest. So Shadow. So itong bounty items for Shadow. Okay. Mukhang may pumasok sa chat. Sino yun? Mga bago. Oh, 8 na tayo guys. Marcus is here. Hello, Marcus.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so yan. Ay, nasa na ba yan? Canva. So, bounty natin for A is Shadow. So, if you're lucky enough to pull Shadow, that will be the items you get additionally for your booster. Bounty B is Batman, the super rare Batman. So, these are additional lang si Shatterstar from the previous bounty. Okay, and bounty C is Constantine. C for Constantine. So we have an additional Brimstone Legacy card for the bounty. Okay, so Shadow, Batman, and Constantine, our bounty. Let's jump into it. Okay, we're gonna roll the dice. Roll again. 10. Okay, so we need to randomize it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? So here's the list of the 8 super booster. Left to right, back is Chito, Jasper, Onin, Conrad. Left to right, front, Pete, Larry, and Errol. Okay? So please take note of your slots. Don't worry, I'll come back to it naman once in a while. And of course, at the end of our brick break, we will raffle our legacy card. Okay, so are we ready? So again, here's our brick. Okay, ilalagay ko na muna sa has stopped due to. Okay, kita ba? Ayan, okay. Sige. Anyway. Okay, good luck to everyone. Kumusta weather sa Pilipinas? Sa Singapore, parang uulan kanina umaga pero hindi naman natuloy. Okay, this is our legacy card. We'll raffle it off at the last part. Okay, so put it on the side for now. Opening up the brick. Teka lang, pwede ko namang ilagay yung front camera. Ano ba? Ay, hindi rin pala kita. iPad lang kasi gamit ko, guys. Kaya ang hirap ng setup. Anyway. Okay, opening it up. Booster number 1 is... Chito ba? Chito. Booster number 1, Chito. Chito nga ba? Chito, this is for you. Chito was the big winner last time with the King Jefferson. Okay. Kita ba, guys? Anybody can confirm nakita? Chat pa kami. Kita. Okay. So, sorry. Nasaan na siya? Okay, booster number 1. Hindi ko actually mapin yung video kaya parang nag-switch pag may nagsasalita. Okay, we have... Sana makuha naman natin bounty. Ano ba? Genie... Cinnamon? Okay. Red arrow. Green arrow. Rare. I see Supernova. Oy, Trick Arrow. And Animal Man. Si Dead Man. Okay. So, Chito, you got Green Arrow and Trick Arrow. Okay. Parang magkasama yan, no? Si Green Arrow tsaka si Trick Arrow. Which is good for Shield, I guess, kung magkasama sila. Okay, booster number 2. Who is it? Yeah, yours truly. Si Pogi. Number 2. Number 2, guys. For me, let's see. Sino kaya magiging alay kay, Nighthawk? Siya lang yung Nighthawk yan. Oy, Morgan Le Fay. Naku, duplicate ko na to Morgan Le Fay. Red Arrow. Time Trapper. Blackhawk Pilot, and Batman. Okay, so rare, Morgan Le Fay. For me, pansin natin yung yung mga good pulls na sa harap last time. Okay, booster number 3 is Onin. Onin. Si Onin yung taya last time sa Nighthawk. Tingnan natin. Okay, uy, I see Zatanna. Okay. My favorite character, Zatanna. Batman. Parang Justice League to Superman. Okay, Justice League. Justice League nga. Oh, Chase! Onin, you got the Chase.
Nice.
Si
Zala.
Zala Zor-El. Okay, it's a good Chase.
Congrats.
Ano bang ginagawa nito? Kaya lang ko-confirm natin nandito yung card. Okay. Pero I think maganda tong Chase kasi siya parang yung ginagawa niya? Ginagawa tong pinag-uusapan sa US bukod kay Donald Trump. Adjacent. Hindi. Ayan. Other friendly characters within 4 squares modify damage +1. So, para ka ng +1 damage lahat ng character within 4 range. Okay, so para kang empower and enhancement. Okay, so for ilang points pa siya? 50 or 100 points. So, congrats, Onin. Okay. Hindi na ikaw ang taya. Bumawi. Next is Conrad. Si Conrad, dumadaplis sa Chase Conrad, this is for you. Tingnan natin. Wala pa tayong SR, guys. Uy, bubble wrap. Kita ko, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap,
Baka God.
Baka to?
Si Poseidon.
Dark side? Ay, sino to? Ay, si Despero. Conrad. Despero.
Nice.
Okay
SR.
Nice. Despero, Conrad. Okay.
Laki niya.
Na naman, sabi ni Conrad. Daxamite, Antro, Prehistoric, tsaka Animal Man.
Mga nakahubad, no?
Mga
Puro
na
lalaking nakahubad.
Team Hubad. Pero maganda yan, Despero, kasi ano yan, pag wala ka ng Black Panther na legacy, yan ang ano mo, alternative. Mahirap
Bawi
na.
Conrad sa mga nakahubad.
Oo. Si Conrad, ano talaga yung sa nakahubad si Conrad. Number 5, Pete. This is for you. Let's see. Okay. Booster Gold. Velociraptor. Green Lantern. Uy, ano na naman? Etrigan. Uy, tsaka SR. Vandal Savage. Rare and S super rare. Not bad. Okay, pero hindi ito yung super rare natin sa bounty.
Nice.
Mukhang carry over yung bounty ah. Okay. So, second super rare for Pete with Vandal Savage. Maganda yung Vandal Savage. May ginagawa akong team dyan. Kasi ano siya, bago mamatay, replace character. Larry, this for you. You're next, number 6. Parang nagbukas na tayo. Ano nakuha natin nung nagka-desperate tayo last time, Conrad? Ano nakuha natin sa Colossal? Oy, Larry, you have another Batman. Pangalawa mo na to, yung Cowboy. The best rare, one of the best rare. Supergirl, Dr. Fate, Superman, and Velociraptor. Okay, Larry, Supergirl. Okay. Super Sword? Uy, Super Sword, pwede. Uy, tingnan natin. This for you. Let's see.
Sino yung super booster ngayon?
Ako yung pogi. Reserve sa pogi. Nangati.
Good luck.
Nangati sa super booster eh. League Assassin. Time Trapper. Easy Company Soldier. This is for her. Sergeant Rock. And uy! Flash Prime. Reverse Flash.
Nice. Congrats,
Reverse
Air.
Flash Prime. Okay. Maganda yan. Pag wala kang Prime sa team, pwede mong ilagay yan. Or kahit main force, actually, sabi nga nila main force. Double check natin. Reverse Prime. Okay. Good.
40 points lang yata yan eh, kahit hindi mo siya i-sideline.
Kahit hindi mo sideline, main force actually. This is Errol. So, dalawa pa lang SR natin, although nakakuha tayo ng Prime. So, but we'll see. Please give us one of the bounty items para maklaim naman yung isang bounty. Okay. Good luck, Errol. Cinnamon? League Assassin? Robin? Easy Company Soldier and Mr. Mine. Okay, rare Robin. Okay. For Errol. And for me, the Super Booster, let's see kung tama ang prediction ni Conrad about it. Na siya ay, tingnan natin. Oh, suspense. May pa-suspense. 3, 2, 1. Wah! Oh, Super Store. And then the Super Store. Flash Raptor.
Wow.
Oy!
Lakas.
Uy! May Prime! May Prime din! Pwede pala yun. Dalawang reverse Prime. Uy, goods na goods. Okay. So, reverse Prime, Flash Raptor. Weird, no? Merong reverse Prime sa Brick, tapos meron din sa Super Booster.
Parang
League
ganyan
Assassin.
yung super booster ko na Flash Raptor, may kasamang din, reverse flash na Prime.
Oo, pero sa atin kasi nakapull na tayo ng reverse Prime dun
Oo nga eh.
sa Brick. Weird. Anyway, it's a good weird. Weird in a good way.
Yes.
Cinnamon, team up card. kasama sa'yo dati flash rare. Ito, reverse flash siya ang kasama. Okay. Which is better, of course. So, Flash Raptor, Reverse Flash, League Assassin, and Cinnamon Team Up card. Uy! Panalo si Pogi.
Panalong
Nangati.
panalo.
Panalo si Pogi. Ano ba? Okay, so, irarapol, walang nakuha yung ating bounty items. Okay, so, I know magpapa-break din si, si Marcus, if I'm not mistaken. So,
Meron ako.
oo.
Hinihintay ko na lang dumating.
Oo. Pwede nating i-carry over yung doon, mga bounty. Okay?
Sige, sige.
Para padami ang bounty natin.
Tapos delayed yung Black Panther, pero magpapasild ako ng Black Panther.
Oy! Tapos yung ating big event sa November, of course, do not forget.
Oo, ang ganda nun. Ang ganda na. Ayusin pa
Oo.
namin yung pricing. Kausap ko pa kasi 12 tayo so far. 10 or 12. So,
Oo.
para lang medyo spread. Tapos, kasi, nga, totoo nga yung na-bring up na maganda yung bystander sa Deadpool Weapon X. So, baka i-spread natin.
Oo. Oo. Para lalo na sa akin.
Pero
Collector
ano
ko
daw,
na X-Men.
sabi ni Howard, may Black Panther na factory set na in
Pinadala.
play. May meron siya
Ooh.
pinadala, pero hindi daw siya sure kung sa atin.
Oo. Anyway, sige, let's just see when it arrives. Okay.
Oh,
So, we will raffle up the legacy card, guys. So, roll again. 5. Okay, so after 5 rolls, whoever is on top, number 1, will get the legacy card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Conrad, you get the legacy card. Okay, tingnan natin, Conrad, anong legacy card mo? Alam ko, vigilante hanap mo, pero nakakuha ka na ata eh. Okay. Okay. Maliit tong legacy card na to ngayon. Usually, to eh. Oh, hanggang taas. May nagbebenta pala dito, mga kompleto daw niya mula mutation, mula infinity set. Pero bulk ang bentahan niya. Master set hanggang 10th anniversary, parang ganyan. Sabi ko, ang bigat-bigat sa maleta. Okay. So, Conrad, you have... Uy, Conrad! Vigilante! Conrad, Vigilante, ang iyong team up card.
nice.
Congratulations! Nabili mo na ba kay JB? Pwede namang dalawa, hindi naman siya unique. Maganda to for 30 points, 5 clicks of life with shenanigans. Okay, so our legacy card is Vigilante.
Lakas talaga.
Lakas talaga lang ni Conrad. Anyway, so again, thank you very much guys for joining our brick break. Okay, wala na muna tayong brick break at meaning here in Singapore kasi wala nang stocks ng Master of Time basically. So, yung mga sinend kong pictures, limited na rin ang supply nila ng Heroclix dito so far kasi delayed nga yung mga Black Panther items. Okay? So, thank you very much. Enjoy your evening, everyone. And see you on Saturday, guys. See you, Wimsy.
Ingat, Jasper.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll take pictures of your pools, guys.